Hey man, the time is here, bro. The time is finally here. I can't wait to unbox these things, show y'all what we got in. And I know y'all already seen the thumbnail and the title. We ain't gonna waste none of y'all time. We about to get into probably the best sneaker to release in 2024. Let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You know, it's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up to the video. Come check out what your boy Adventure is talking about. I know everybody is probably highly anticipating me showing you guys this early pair of kicks. Like I said, probably top one or top two as far as being sneaker of the year. We are still getting, little rumors here and there what we are getting or what's, set to release. So it's still a lot more heat to come out, and it seems like all the heat is pushed back to the holiday time frame. Legend Blues, Black Cat 5s, Black Toe 1s, like all types of heat that we're going to be getting. Before we get any further, if you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. The mics go a long way. It's free 99, and it's definitely a great way to support your boy, especially for you guys, the early looks that we bring y'all. All right, man, we have the box in, and I keep forgetting my knife over here for some reason. Y'all do not mind me. This has happened like 3 days in a row, bro. I keep forgetting the knife. We got the knife in. We got some heat inside the box, man. And shouts out to Drama, man, for finally delivering the pack. You feel me? I was like, you know what? I think it's long overdue for me to get these for you guys. And somebody commented, they said, yo, you were a sneaker YouTuber that usually give us early looks. And I say, you know what, bro? You're damn sure right. Let me go ahead and get these things. So let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we got in here, bro. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Y'all see, bro? Y'all see the box, man? Y'all see the box. We do have the reverse, Jordan 4 box with the cement on the upper with your red Jumpman and a flight underneath it. And of course, you guys can see, man, it's like a flip from a regular Air Jordan 4 box, man. The official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Black, Fire Red, Cement, and Gray. And I did go up a half a size to a size 9.5. You guys can peep that, bruh. And let's go ahead and get into it, bruh. Drum roll, please. All right, let's go ahead and get in here, bro. That was the weakest drum roll ever. But let's go ahead and see what we have in the box, bro. A lot of tissue paper, Let's go ahead and get into it real quick, man, and check them out. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. These things is high-key tough, man. Check them out. Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagines, man. And real quick, guys, I gotta put y'all on to Poizon, man. I know you probably been seeing them all over Instagram, all over YouTube, all over TikTok. They've been everywhere, and this is the ultimate authentication and shopping platform for sneakerheads like us. And what's even dope right now, they have a bunch of discount codes available to us, which I'm gonna link all down below in the description box and right here in the video. So use those discount codes to save you some money on your purchase from Poizon. With Poizon, you can be confident that every pair of sneakers you got is legit, and their cutting-edge authentication technology ensures a seamless and secure experience for sneaker enthusiasts like me and you. All you have to do is snap a couple pictures of your sneakers. You guys see me doing it right now, and literally Poizon will do everything for you, making sure you have that guaranteed authenticity for your sneaker purchase. And during this authentication process, they're gonna be giving you live updates, letting you know what's happening, if it's good, if it's not. If they need more photos, they will definitely ask you and reach out to you via notification. That's why most people call Poizon more than an app. It is your reliable sneaker companion, man. Make sure you click that link down below in the description box, and make sure you use those codes down below that I mentioned, so you make sure you're getting the best deal. And you won't have to worry about any fakes in your life no more with Poizon authentication, man. Want to buy some awesome sneakers as a gift for Valentine's Day? Try Poizon. You would never be disappointed. Let's go ahead and pull both of these joints out of the box, man. Super excited to finally have these things in, bro. You guys can see totally different from the original Breds, which we are going to show you guys right over here. But go ahead and check out, even the hang tag is different. Got this black kind of like translucent hang tag. And this, just look at this shoe, bro. Look at it, bro. Finally here, man. The reimagined Bred things. And I could definitely see why people were saying they like these more than the 2019 pair of Breds. These things is crispy, bro. And the leather quality, Hey, these joints is super tumble, bro. Like super tumble. I see, like, you know, why people were excited, why they might have picked these over the 2019 pair, because you can wear these way more than you can wear the 2019 pair. I keep telling this story, but I did wear Air Jordan 4 Bred, the 2019 pair to Paris. You guys know there's a lot of sand around that tower, a lot of dirt and stuff like that. That pair was absolutely destroyed. I didn't clean as much as I should have, but you guys can see the ashy look to it. That is a result of me going to a lot of different places, collecting that dust, collecting that dirt. But you guys can see, man, you have the 2019 pair of Breds, and over here we have the 2024 Bred Reimagined. Man, which one y'all like more, bro? Y'all like the 2019 pair or the 2024? But like I said, man, I see. Trust me, I see what y'all talking about, man. I see why y'all might choose these. I know a lot of OGs out there ain't gonna like people choosing the newer pair over the OGs. A pair that Jordan actually wore on court, was hooping these things, going crazy. But even if you're OG, bro, you gotta at least admit it, bro. Having that all leather on your pair of fours is a lot more durable. You can get a lot more wears out of them. You can wear them pretty much all season. You can barely wear like a new buck pair of sneakers during the snow time, you know, when it's raining all crazy, unless you do got some crazy like repellent spray for your sneakers. All right, man, that's enough for the 2019 pair of Breds, man. Throw them to the side, bro, and give you guys another quick 360 look at these, man. You guys drop your thoughts, your honest opinions over these things right here, bro. I actually like lost for words, you feel me, just because I do have the 2019 pair. I haven't even really got down and sit and look at them, bro, but just looking at the quality, the leather, the craftsmanship, everything looks pretty much perfect, bro. Look, A1 in my honest opinion, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Go ahead and check out the outsoles. You got your Nike down below in that red. Of course, you got your gray and white panel. But man, I can't wait to throw these on feet, bro. I cannot wait to throw these on feet. Seeing how they look, they should look exactly like the 2019 pair. But I'm telling y'all, bro, the all leather definitely is a little bit better as far as the pop, because it kind of got a little shine to it when the light hits it. You know what I'm saying? Take a couple of pictures in these things. People are going to definitely notice these more than the 2019 pair, because mind you, y'all can see it's pretty much ashy. I know everybody's still wondering, when is this shock drop going to happen? What's the date? What's the time and stuff like that? It is nothing confirmed as of yet. But as soon as we get more information, more details about the shock drop, of course, I'm gonna let you guys know about it, because, bro, this has to be one of the most anticipated Air Jordan 4s or Jordan releases in general for the beginning of 2024. We do have the military blues lined up right after that in May. So as soon as we're done with the reimagined 4s, people are gonna be crazy asking for when the shock drop happening, when the exclusive access and stuff like that. It's gonna happen for the military blue 4s, because I seen a reel the other day with, you know, somebody comparing the military blues and the reimagined 4s. Not pretty much comparing, it was pretty much just showing the sneakers, and both of them things was looking A1, bro. These look so crispy in hand. The military blues look even crispier. So it's gonna be a huge debate, a huge talk, like what's the best Jordan of the year, because it might be a toss-up between the reimagined 4s and even the military blue 4s. Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, bruh. Just a clean little early look at the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, guys. I know a lot of people were excited. Like I said, stay tuned for all the shock drop information, exclusive access from JD and Finish Line, all that stuff. I'm gonna be sure to make sure you guys know what everything is going on. And what if Nike don't shock drop these? That would be a crazy, crazy situation. I might make a video about that. What if Nike doesn't shock drop the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined? I know it seems highly unlikely, but it's definitely something Nike could be doing, man. We just never know. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. Go ahead and go crazy down below in the comment section, dropping all your thoughts and opinion, bro. That leather qualities is super, super plush, bro. Having them finally in hand is super lit. I can't wait to read you guys' comments. And while y'all commenting down below and watching this video, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this on feet. Y'all stay tuned for that one right there. Leave a huge like on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here and you did enjoy the content. And hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss on any videos like this from your boy, The Vintage. And I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in. And with all that's been said, man, your boy, The Vintage, is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.